To the first, my introduction, Maya Choiro from Biology Study Program, Faculty of Science and Technology, Islamic University Maulana Malik Ibrahim Malang. In this video, I will present a lesson about classification and hierarchy of science. In the early days of its development, science or philosopher was considered to have mastered almost all scientific fields. Both, both theoretical and practical. Generally, this is because scientific studies are still on a small, limited scale, but if we refer to today's condition, the field of scientific studies is so broad that it is almost impossible. The large number of branches of science raises the main problem of classification these science or their division. This systematic sorting is needed to determine which knowledge is introductory knowledge of means, and knowledge which actually study an object of knowledge. This systematic sorting effort is known as scientific classification. Classification of science is one of the themes which continually appears within Islamic and Western scientific literature. Historically, the classification of science is not something new in the history of knowledge. Science, ancient Greek time, era Christianity, the era of the glory of Islam, century medieval or modern. The science classification has been carried out accordingly with condition and development knowledge in every episode of the era. According to Al-Ghazali, the classification of science philosophically divides knowledge into Sharia science and Aqliyah science, namely as follows. 1. Sharia science. The science discusses science about basic principles, al-usul, and science about the branches, furu. 2. Aliyah science. The science discusses mathematics, logic, physics, or natural science, as well as the science of sciences outside nature or metaphysics. The hierarchy of knowledge is the source power for everything in its life. Knowledge can be gained from educational program or courses attended reading book, feeling practice, and learn from others. In hierarchy of knowledge, there are 5 main foundations, namely traditional, authority, trial and error, logical, reasoning, and the scientific method. 1. Tradition. Tradition is the lowest foundation of knowledge. Something is considered true because it has been considered true for a long time. 2. Authority. Hierarchy of knowledge based on authority means something considered true because it was said by an expert. 3. Trial and error. Trial and error is used to obtain the best knowledge. 4. Logical reasoning. Logical reasoning is a systematic process that combines experiential intelligence and formal thinking system to obtain knowledge. 5. Scientific methods. Scientific method include systematic, empirical, controlling, and examination critical proportion point in the hypothesis. The conclusion. Classification science in one of the time continually applied in the treasure of Islamic scholarship as well as the which is understandable because of the problems. Science classification is one of the keys to understand intellectual tradition. The hierarchy of knowledge is a scope of power for everything in life. Knowledge can be gained from the educational program or course attended, reading books, field practice, or learning from other people. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Sorry if there are any unclear words or lack thereof in this presentation. Thank you for everything and goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.